Hi book friends, today we're going to be reading The BERRYLICIOUS Bake Off, Strawberry Shortcake. One day, Angel Cake was inside her cake shop with her pet lamb, Vanilla Icing. "I'm bored," Angel Cake said. "Today would be a great day to do something fun with all of my berry best friends. But what should we do?" She looked over at Vanilla Icing, but Vanilla was busy looking at the pretty 3-layered cake in the display case. Vanilla loved eating Angel's cakes, and Angel loved making them. "That's it!" Angel shouted. "I'll invite everyone over to bake a cake. It'll be the most berrylicious day ever." She called all of her friends and got started making the cake batter. "I can't wait to eat our yummy strawberry shortcake," Strawberry Shortcake said happily. "But I was hoping to make an orange turnover cake," Orange Blossom cried. "What about a gingerbread cake?" Ginger Snap suggested. "That's always good." "But not as good as my famous huckleberry tart," said Huckleberry Pie. Honey Pie Pony shook her head. "Famous? My fudge brownies, that's what's famous. Why, kings and queens have eaten my delicious brownies." Even Apple Dumpling held up one of the red apples she had brought. "Apple cake," she cooed. "Can't make all of those cakes," Angel Cake cried. "My kitchen is too small." Then she got an idea. "But maybe there's a recipe that will make everyone happy. We'll start with these," she said, grabbing one of Orange Blossom's oranges. The friends got busy slicing and squeezing the juicy oranges. "We'll add the orange juice to the cake batter," said Angel Cake. "Orange-flavored cake?" Orange Blossom asked. "Now that sounds different." "But delicious," said Strawberry Shortcake. They poured the batter into 2 cake pans and put them in the oven to bake. Next, they chopped strawberries and cooked them with sugar on the stove to make jam. The oven's bell timer rang. "The cake's done!" Angel Cake cried. As soon as the cakes had cooled, Strawberry Shortcake spread the sweet strawberry jam on the bottom cake layer. "Strawberry filling," said Huckleberry Pie. "What a great idea!" "The next part is easy," said Angel Cake. She whispered something in Ginger Snap's ear. Ginger Snap smiled. She grabbed her Ginger Snap cookies and put them on top of the strawberry filling. Ta-da! A yummy, crispy cookie layer. Then Angel Cake put the second cake on top of the cookies and covered it with strawberry jam too. "Your huckleberries are next, Huckleberry Pie," she said. "All right," Huckleberry cheered. "And now we're finally ready for Honey Pie Pony's delicious fudge," said Angel Cake. "Fudge makes a great topping." "You're amazing, Angel Cake," Strawberry cried. "With your help, we've made the very best cake ever. And we even used everyone's favorite ingredients." "With your help, we've made the very best cake ever. And we even used everyone's favorite ingredients." "Uh-oh," said Orange Blossom. "Not everyone's. We forgot about Apple Dumpling's apples." Angel Cake laughed. "Oh, I didn't forget. We can use them to make apple juice. We can't eat cake without something to drink, can we?" "This is the very best cake I've ever had," said Huckleberry. "Me too," said Ginger Snap. "Who would have thought so many very different ingredients could make one very perfect cake?" The friends raised their cups in a toast. "Here's to Angel Cake," said Strawberry Shortcake, "and her most berrylicious recipe ever." And that was Strawberry Shortcake, the BERRYLICIOUS Bake Off. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon with more stories. Bye!